Hello, Medofopa Akwaba, and thank you for joining me today. Today's recipe is how I made these crispy skin chicken thighs. They were so delicious. I paired them with my fried rice. I have that video on, do check it out. And it was just delicious with some Aftrad Village Kitchen shit on the side, some salad on the side. Everything was just so yummy. So sit tight and let's get cooking. Let's start with a simple seasoning for the chicken. So for this, I'm using a lemon. This is a cayenne pepper mix with 7-spice blend and some olive oil. You can use any type of oil. Aftrad Village Kitchen's 10-spice blend, you know it contains all the local spices we use in Ghana, aniseed, etc. And also my chicken, some salt to taste, of course. So to start off, I zested the lemon and squeezed the juice out of the lemon. I love the lemon flavor, the zest and the juice adds to the chicken. The lemony flavor it adds to the seasoning, it's so good. Plus it takes that poultry smell and taste out of the chicken. So I took out the seeds. You don't really want it. Even if it's in, it still doesn't matter. But if you can take it out, take it out. Next thing was to add Aftrad Village Kitchen's 10-spice blend. This contains a number of spices, 10 different spices like aniseed, rosemary, black pepper, white pepper, a whole lot. And I also added in some cayenne powder mixed with Aftrad Village Kitchen's 7-spice blend. And then some oil. Mix this all together and then I added salt to taste. And this is all there is to it, to our seasoning for the chicken. Next to go in was the chicken itself. And here you can use your hands to massage the seasoning mix really well into the chicken. Here I was doing keche, so yes, I was trying to use my tools to help me, but yes, a lovely massage is really good. So if you've got time, give this about 2 hours or overnight for it to marinate nicely. All right, it helps the flavors to develop. And once you are ready to cook it, if you had it in the fridge, if it was marinating overnight, take it out of the fridge, let it come to room temperature before you start to cook it. And here is how I achieved the crispy skin on the chicken. I heated up my griddle to very hot. No oil was added because otherwise it will be so smoky. Plus we are going to render all the oil from the chicken's skin. Just look at how crispy it was. Once you put it on the skin side, allow it to crisp up for the flavors to sear into the chicken before you turn it the other way, and you equally allow it to cook for some couple of minutes before taking it off for it to brown beautifully. So it wasn't done, it wasn't cooked through. I had to put it in the oven at a temperature of 180 degrees for about 20 minutes for it to cook through. You could actually cook it through on your stove, but it would take a while. Plus, it does generate quite a bit of smoke, so be ready. But the flavors you are going to get is so much better. So yeah, forget about the smoke in your kitchen. So here I was also thinking of using my air fryer because I'm so much in love with my air fryer. And I thought my air fryer would do a better job than my oven. So I put my last batch in the air fryer to just test it out and see the difference in texture and in taste. And this is all the oil that came out of the chicken. This is chicken fat with the lovely seasoning which I reserved to use in my stews. So here, after about 20 minutes, the air fryer was much quicker. About 15 minutes it was done. The air fryer results were much drier, much crispier on the skin. I loved it. And the oven results were much more moist on the inside and a bit crispy on the skin. It was also lovely. So whichever way It is great. Look how gorgeous and sumptuous the chicken looks. So yes, I paired this chicken with my tiger prawns egg fried rice, which is on the channel, so do please have a look. And also some special Aftrad Village Kitchen's shito. This shito is proper Ghanaian shito. Everybody calls it the boarding house shito. You know, the proper Ghanaian shito. Yes, and then some simple salad. Look how juicy and finger licking good and crispy on the skin this chicken looks and tastes. You need to try it to know how it tastes. So simple, so easy to make, but very, very flavorful and delicious. I hope you have enjoyed this. I know it was quick, and that's how quick it is to cook it. So do try it and give me your feedback. As always, I'm looking to see your photos, to hear your feedback. So do share them with me. Thank you for joining me today. Hope you join me next time. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification button so you get notified with my latest videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.